Uh, uh, well, we're live. I believe I should be coming through on the MenuDocs channel. I'm just gonna quickly. Someone's messaging me now. It's it's just gonna quickly. Oh, I need to mute that. Wow. Okay. This is scary to say the least. Being on a platform with a larger community. Well, that's well, just gonna turn that down a bit. Get rid of OBS so you guys don't have to see that. You guys don't need to see that. I'm gonna close a lot of this other stuff. We don't need it open. Every minute or so you'll see something pop up in the top left corner. That's it. It might look a little bit funky. You might see some green stuff around it. I'm trying to get rid of it. I'm playing around with Premiere Pro and filtering out some stuff. But I'm just gonna quickly go into Discord. Let's do a ping. Oh, my first time messaging and uploads. At everyone. Alright, let me watch me accidentally send the message about Stop it, Connor. Thought I might jump on the streaming bandwagon. Oh, hold up. By using out everyone, you're about to mention 800 plus people. Are you sure? Oh, I'm sure. Ping pong at everyone. Hello, Connor. Hello, V Mohammed. Let's get started. So I'm going to open up my Ubuntu thing. Oh, wow. Cringe. Very much cringe, NeoFetch. There's all sorts of things I can do. Someone's ringing me. Really? No. No. Sorry, someone rang me. Hopefully that didn't stuff up my webcam. Yeah. It is. Oh, what's happened? Can't hear anything. Let me just... Wait, can you do web service with C++? Man, you can do anything with any programming language as long as it's, I believe they call the word Turing complete. So when I say web servers, really, I'm using sockets and I'm going to create my own interpreter for HTTP. It's pretty straightforward. You guys will see as I go on through the stream. So let's see, what have I got in here? VOS, stressor, velocity. I'm going to remove some of this stuff. I don't need this. I'm using Windows Subsystem Linux. I believe that's what WSL stands for, but either way, I could just have a Ubuntu. Well, I'm using Ubuntu, but I can have any deviation of Linux. I forgot that's a Windows command, so let's just create a directory. What should we call this? Oh, hey, Crispy with the $2 super chat. Thank you. What am I gonna call this? Windows Subsystem for Linux. Yeah, that's it, Space Ghost. Alright. What's like a cool name for a web server application? You got like Nginx, Express, all those other ones. Well, I suppose Express is a library. Patchy. Call it Arrow? Arrow, you know what? I don't mind that. Arrow. Class Breaker? I kind of like the Arrow one. It's short and sweet. Terminator C? I think I'm gonna go with arrow. I think Connor's got me with arrow. I like that. Arrow. Alright, CD into arrow, and I should be able to just open that up directly. Oh, it's gonna update Visual Studio, and while that comes up, I'm going to get some boilerplate that I had from an elder one. Oh, older. So, just mainly the socket side of things. I do have Onivim. Onivim? I don't know how to pronounce it 100% properly, but caps lock is on. Might give that a try out later. I got number one, it's just the free version. I'm not paying $40 US for a text editor. Like, it looks cool and all, but no, yeah, we don't need those type of comments, please. Alright, so let me just quickly log into this. Sorry, you can't see this. I'm actually on a different machine also as well. I don't have dual monitors yet. I know I'm lacking, but oh well. Soon. Soon I'll get 2 monitors. Let me just quickly log into my GitHub. I believe that's my password. Alright, we're logging in. Gotta go to classes. Alright, see you, man. Or girl. Sorry. Could be gender neutral. While I'm waiting for that to load, I'll just start including some stuff that I need. So we're going to need IOStream, and I might as well create the main function void. And while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to go make file, or create a make file. And for our compile, I'm going to go G++. Alright, so it's going to look something like this. It's, might have to quickly grab my old one. Alright, this is where it's going to get a bit crazy. So we need to include some more libraries. Let me just... But, oh, that's not working. I need to minimize that. Buy a new monitor, that's $2. Honestly, considering it, like, that is, the way to go. Something cheap. I don't need something crazy expensive. Right, so I need to include unistandard.h, standard input output.h, sys/socket.h, which is the Linux socket library. I'm not going to make this for Windows. All Windows can go die in a hole because I don't know how to use sockets for all the WinSock32. I haven't learnt it yet. I'm still very new to this whole network programming thing in C, C/C++. But it has been fun. So standard list, these are all C libraries, as you can see, and IntelliSense. What else? So I need the socket.h. I need my unistandard. I believe that stands for .h. And what's this saying? I think I've misspelled expected. Okay, there we go. It's working now. For a couple more, we need the sdio.h. Why are you using C++? It's just my jam. C++ just jams with me. I like it. You know, everyone's got their own preference. What do we need? We need stdlib. Oh yeah, I got that one at the top. What else do we need? We need netinet.h. A hash include netinet in.h, another C library. String.h is another one we're going to need. String.h, I can refactor a lot of these later because I'm not going to need them. I may as well just do a hash define for port, and that's just going to be port 80. The camera angle. Yeah, look, okay, Connor, I know you're bullying me for this. I don't have my little tripod yet before my phone. I'm using some software to beam the camera of my phone to the computer, and then using Broadcast, which is an amazing application, might I add. I really love Broadcast. Okay, so we need to pass some actually. I'll get rid of void, we don't need that. So let's just go int arg c, and this is going to be a const char pointer argv char array, and that's all good. And here comes a lot of writing, so we need to just declare some stuff. Blue tack, mind blown. I don't have any blue tack, so joke's on you. You thought you're onto something there, and I suppose that'd be kind of look weird because then monitor is actually pretty tall. I'll show you guys later. Use the force. I will. May the force be with you. So I need to create a struct here. Sock address in, and then I'll just declare that's like address should be good, and we need to just put that to 1 for the time being. I'm gonna actually separate this stuff so it looks cleaner. Really will have no impact apart from just the readability. Spell that wrong. ADR lang equals size of address. Alright. What else? We need our char buffer. That should be, I think, 1024. So that's in bytes. It's like so, and that'll just fill it with zeros. Let's create a C++ string. So I'm going to use std string, and I'm just going to put message, and I'll put that just to hello. Whoops, I don't know what I've just done. I have, make sure that's okay. This keyboard, man. There's some weird keybinds. What's your VS Code theme? Good question. No clue. Let's have a look. That's it. Horizon theme, and I'll be using. Oh, it's only got one theme. Horizon theme. It's very nice. I change it every now and then. Get bored of this one and change to something else. But it's the Horizon theme. And in our message, I'm just gonna put. I'll just put MenuDocs for now. That's satisfactory. Because it will make it look better soon. Alright, now we need to put some if statements. Server underscore fd socket af underscore inet, I believe. Yep. And sock string 0. And if all of that is equal to 0, we can do this. P error socket fail. Probably going to get a lot of socket fails. And exit underscore failure. So this is pretty much just C up until line 19. That's C++ feature. Well, a C++ implementation of a string. So this is going to create the socket descriptor. Separate that a bit more, and let's do some more error handling. So if set so this is server score fd sol score socket. Is that right? Oh yeah, that's all good. What else? So underscore reuse address, and here comes some weird formatting. Okay, so underscore reuse port, and reference opt, and size of opt. So that is all good. And if it's not, we're just going to do another p error set sock output surround that with some speech marks, and then exit. Again, without exit failure, I could make that a function to do that, so I don't have to write all those lines, but effort. I'd rather put more effort into writing it than being lazy. Address.sim family going to equal to a_inet. What else do we need to do? Alright, well, you can set the port. First, we have to do this line. sim addr.s_addr is equal to in addr address. Yeah. It's what have I got here? In addr. I cannot type now. Oh, it is double D. Any. So that's probably just going to assign it. Any address. Address to accept incoming messages expands to intar 0x identifier. Hey there, Billie. Hey, coded Austrian. I have misspelled. Ah, okay. I see. Oh no. If I take this line, that shouldn't be okay. See, it's just the joys of programming. Just, you know, it's the little things. I'll just leave it there. I'm sure it'll work itself out. SJS Edge. I can't talk. Let's set the port. So htons, and we did a hash. Whoa, what is that? Okay, I think it was a breakpoint. I keep hitting the FN button on my keyboard because it's got one in the bottom right. It's not very good placement. Do you mean address? No, that's that is right. Yeah, you're right, Connor. See, Connor, look, you're already a genius in C++. Why is this one yelling at me now? Address is undefined. Oh, what? Oh, okay, I misspelled it up here, that's why. But also, I think that's just IntelliSense. It's probably for Microsoft instead, because I think I got the C++ extension. If I do, I just might just disable that for now. I don't need it anyway. Alright, so let's do some binds checking. So if bind, let's get our server, and then put some brackets here. I'm a genius spelleroony. Yeah, I know. How am I today? I'm doing pretty good. How are you, Austrian? Let's get this here. And reference address. I just realized I probably used address somewhere else. Just going to check. Yeah, there it is, right in front of me. There's address. And we need to get the size of address. And if that is 0, something's fishy. Find failed, exit failure. And now let's do our listen. So if listen, so fd3, same thing up here. Oh, my desk is so squeaky. You guys probably won't be able to hear it because it should be getting filtered out, hopefully, by broadcast. Let's just put a P error for listening and exit failure. Oops. Maybe I should put it in here. exit failure. Car trunks listen. Yep. What's this? Expands to 1. Yep. And we got that one. Now we're getting close. Getting closer. Okay, so we've done our listen. I'll put this in a class in a second. I just want to get it, set up so it's all worky. New socket equal to accept server underscore FD, and then put struct and put ampersand address. So what have I got here? Sock len. Socklen T pointer. Reference. Thing out here. Definitely done something wrong here. Oh no. We're all good, and we could just put another P error for the accept. That should be all the error checking I have to do now. 100% so. Oh, bare bones of error checking. Now I'm just going to put a statement here for while true. Loving the work, Mateo. Hey, Skelmus, how are we? What's cracking? Let's get our val read. We'll read it. New underscore socket. 10. 24. And we can just use a printf. And in here, let's buffer. And respond to that socket. New underscore socket. Message, I believe is what we called it. Yep, message, and I need to convert that to a C string. And what else do we need to pass? S string length. Message dot C string. Pass it 0. Is cool. And underneath that, we can just, if it's gotten to this point, then obviously everything is working. So I believe it's G++ main. So A got out, there we go. Oh, I should probably do it's just that. While I do that, actually, I'm gonna open up Windows R. It should be just localhost 80. Load. A. Bet you any money this is. Oh no, it shouldn't be. Okay, yeah, here we go. Connection keep alive. There we go. Yeah, okay. So it's come through. This is the type of stuff we're gonna pass through. Basically, I'll create a map, just some basic key value storage of all this stuff, for the requests, headers, etc. Let's just for now, I'm just gonna put main at CPP -O web. that should fix all that. Just so I don't get confused this time, I'm gonna just do an std out. Std out applications started on oh, hang on. I don't use plus +90, I use the port, and then I can just do std and L. 8 people down. Down. Green eggs and ham. So if I just do make, that should alrighty. Let's get rid of a.out. Should be all gone. And keep forgetting I need to give it sudo. Yeah, I just need to move this up in the I think underneath the bind. Yeah, the bind is where I'm going to put underneath. And let's give that a go. Yes. Oh, it did. It actually gave a response, but I believe I need to. I think all this needs to come down to here because it's not running constantly. So. Does it, even bind probably needs to be in there too, but it shouldn't really. Because I'm not closing the socket, I bet you as soon as I do. What if let's see, so if I just come up to here. BGB velocity server. Very cringy name. Maybe that's where I've gone wrong. I'm not. So let's see server response. Use right instead. Where do I get the socket ID from is what I need to know now. It's just because it's an ID anyway, so and then close underscore socket. We find that's gonna work now. So I'm just gonna need to make it. Do manually argues. See, look at that, it's working. But I need to get rid of this out over here. Yeah, so it's going to try and rebind, and it's going to be already in use. Listen should be fine, I think. So make that, just run it. Yeah, it's working. Oh yeah, it's definitely working. So now that we've got that done, let's create our file structure. So in here I'm gonna put server, and this is probably a bad file, like system structure, not system to use, but oh well. And in here, let's go server, inside of server, let's create our header file, so server.hpp, and in here, let's just include IOStream. I will put pragma once last server, right? In here, we're going to need to create a couple of things because this is going to essentially replace our main. Or I will put it in this file. Hang on. Hello, Billie. Hello, Skirmish, mate. How's it going? So private. Everything can just be public. I will create one method with inside of it. We shouldn't need a constructor. Well, I suppose inside of the constructor we can pass. I'll create one method, and inside of here we can pass out int argc, const char pointer argv. And then inside of here, new file, server.cpp. The streams are getting more regular again? Yeah, they are. And inside of here, we need to include the header file, I believe. So, just put hash include server.hpp. We'll need to include IOStream. I don't need that for that line. And reckon I really need a hash define in here, so headphone. I think I will keep that hash define. And inside of here, I need to go server start, and this is a void. I should give the void attribute. We're not expecting any return. Int argc char const argv. And sweet. So now I can just literally come up to here. Control X. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. I don't need any of this now. But we do need a hash include, and this is going to be in our include server of HTTP server. Let's go lowercase server dot start rtrv. Function declared of line 13 is inaccessible. I need to put the public. I need to make it public. It's private by default then. Well, let's just give that a go. Make side of here. I need to also include what is it? Server / CPP. Let's do our sudo web. And it was just like, wow. If we look at the response headers, this is going to be pretty cool. It's going to be very small, 8 bytes. 8 bytes. That would have just, yeah. That was the response. Yeah, just looking. And how long you reckon? 9 milliseconds. 9 milliseconds. 131. Well, I believe I can like go to anything, so I could just put a bunch of random numbers. So that is the socket, like accepting and welcoming side. Now we just want to really read HTML files or send the files back. Inside of here, I will just create that is not how you spell HTML. What a genius, but and it's definitely not. So I'm just going to create basic HTML file inside of here. Now there is a way. I did this. A little sneak peek. Response is what it's. This is going to be our response. need to include a couple of things. So in here, I'm going to close hash include, hash include string. That's f files. All we want. That should just be a C++ library or lib, and I also need to include string. Right, in the send files. Send file. You need to pass the request, really. Well, if we look at the request, yeah, so it's always going to be the third. No, I'm method type and then favicon. So you, I'm just staring at this. I'm I know what I'm doing. It's all good. I got no clue. How did I pass this last time? Oh. This is a cute way of doing it. This is going to be very janky. Basically, I'm going to create our own little parser. So we need to include the vector. We need to include SSStream map iterator. Map hash include iterator hash include regex. Expected file name, and you got one. So this I'm just going to change the buffer to 300,000. std string request equal buffer. I should convert that to an std C string, C++ string. Let's just see. This I just realized. Thank you, YouTube. That's very nice of you. Now that we've done that, we need to let's create a map. And this is gonna have string and std string headers. We're going to create a vector, essentially an array now. We can type vector std string line. So what's this? This is a string, string, sorry. That's the tongue twister and a half right there. Buffer. Request. Hang on. Something's not right. Six people, let's go. Hi Billie. Sorry, I wasn't reading chat for a second. Sean Buzz. Request string. Will you do a HTML website tutorial? I believe we have a little mini series covering HTML, but if there are specific things you guys are interested in the MenuDocs Discord, there's a channel called Suggestions, and pop it in there. So what was the request string? Oh yeah, it's just buffer. Like, I mean video on it. Yeah, on the channel there's videos. One of the old content creators who is no longer with us, unfortunately, Alex, he did them. Alright, yeah, so that's fine. Now we go back to creating the parser. So you just buffer the request. std string line. That's just gonna be empty anyway. While get line buffer line lines dot push back line. Hey, sure. Yeah, they're pretty old. I think they're like 8 months old, but nothing changes within HTML, CSS nowadays. It's just whoops. That didn't change anything. Always actually keep accidentally hitting that button. Well, and just keep my hand away from it. What else? So we've gotten all of those in an array now. So we're going to create another vector quickly. This is really terrible. There's probably a better way I can do this. But that requires thinking, and I don't want to think. So I'm just going to do it like this. Request line. That is the wrong character. There we go. Whoa, what? So, rec L. Oh, okay. Okay, so std string rec L equals std string lines 0. You know what to think while programming. It's I just say dumb stuff like that. I do think. I think. Yeah, that's new. Yeah, that's new. Let's just create a temporary little string. String colon std. That is the wrong. I did it again. std string Oops. There we go. For int I equals 0, bit of an iteration here. So this is a count controlled loop. Whoa. Rec L. Probably could use a better naming system for this, but can't be bothered. I can always refactor it later. And inside of here, we need to check if it's a space. Now, this is my awesome way of checking. Creating. Oh man. So if it's a space, request line dot pushback TMP. Ah, okay, yeah, yes, okay, I'm on touch here. So this is where we put our temp string. It's basically, if it's not a space, we're just gonna add whatever character that was to temp, which is rec L. Whoops. Rec L I. Let me get the individual char. So that's a really janky way of getting the request line. So now we need to do the method headers. So just a bit of key value here. Method equals request line 0, headers route request line 1 and headers version. I believe we can just check here. Yeah, versions is the third in computers. That is the second version equals request line. Hello, what VS code theme do I use? It's the Horizon theme. I'll pull it up for you so you can see. Just the Horizon theme by Billie. Just a warm theme. It has got white theme, but like you're psychopathic if you use white theme. Let's be honest. I think that's all we're gonna need. You're welcome for that. So that's really the first two. Now I need to redeclare our variable. I'll just empty temp because we don't need temp anymore after all. So actually I can just go temp equals std regex, bit of regex underscore replace temp std oops regex %20 with just a space so we can see. Why is okay? That's just because I didn't have something there. Now we can do. I'm gonna add some colors. I might just put them in a hash define at the top. Yeah, I'm gonna put them hash define at the top. So Um, 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 um. Let's look at some colors. I think I should be able to do this in a hash define red. Well, I'm only going to use a couple colors, so let's go green, and this is going to equal escape color codes. Right, that needs to be 1 because it's gold. Don't need that there. 32M. Let's get. I probably should get a red in here as well. We're going to need reset. I'll put yellow. Yellow is 3M, and hash define reset. Maybe I shouldn't use hash defines for this. I think it's just the wrong use case of hash define 0. I'll make these all strings. So it's just in here. Okay. STD string green equal STD string red equal STD string string yellow equals oops, and this is just gonna be like me because I got a hash define. Yeah, that's expected. Reset equals. Alright, let's just copy paste these. And thank you. You're off. You're off. You're good to go. And let's do our reset. Yeah, that should be hunky-dory, if I don't say so myself. Okay, so now that we've got that, we can just do so that's for our route, which okay, I think I should just also go temp equals headers wrong bracket routes. Yep, alright, so now let's just do C out, SCD C out. This is going to look probably ugly, but well, I don't care. headers, and then we can just get the my ear is itchy routes. Just I love these AirPod Pros. Very good, very worth the investment in my opinion. Let's just clear that. Remakers. That took solid second and a half to make. Well, here we go. Empty response. Ooh, segmentation fault. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I bet you it's because... That should read that. Yeah. That did not work. That just did not work, didn't it? Yeah. Isn't that... Is that the wrong... Oh, I think I know why. That. It's just literally mashed it together because of this. We'll just... We don't need to print out each time a request is made anyway. I didn't. The other thing I can think of is doing this, but I shouldn't need to. Let me just... hang on, I can't hear anything. Oh, it's probably gonna create... Stupid temp. There we go. We need that as well. Recompile. It's not liking these escape codes. Let's low power mode. Oh, I need to move my camera quickly. Allow. Oops. Alright. Move you guys all around. Let's just put that back. So they reckon you use U001B. There's 32. See where this gets us. I mean, yes, yay. That's you love to see it. Let's replace all these then. Okay. I mean, that's better. I think instead of that'll look much nicer. And in the start, just go. Should we have make bet I'm gonna work now. Oh no, it works. I don't know why I was waiting for something else to come up. I need to refresh it up here. Oh, video pause. Just to add a little bit of spice, it's just very pointless, but yellow. I believe we did yellow, just so we don't get some weird formatting. I really shouldn't be wasting my time on doing this part, but may as well. Yeah, we run it. Yeah, area looks nice. Now we need to get into the sending the files. But I should send proper response. I'm gonna add one more color code actually. Oh, I gotta stop doing this. STD string purple equals and our purple color was 35M. And I know this is going to seem pointless, but did I just name it purple? Okay, yeah, purple. Purple's um. Yeah, that's just wasting my time doing this at this point, but eh. So getting into the response handler now, I want to send files inside of the directory HTML. Alright, I'm back. Just responded to 13 months worth of comments on the channel. Oh, good on you, Connor. Good on you. A lot has happened since you've been gone. I wrote some really jank code around, good, odd, what's that? That's 30 lines of jank code just to pretty much essentially understand all of this. So if it's in here, it's in this map that I made. 70% of them were the Discord POI videos. Love to see it. Right. Stop getting distracted. We don't need to worry about the look of the output, Vex. Privates. Content. I need to subtract the first character. Yeah. Um, so these guys just said Vexco big brain. Yeah, I had to do some documentation, man. Just don't bully me. Or bully me. Up to you. If you bully me, then that's more content for me to talk about content. More to talk about instead of being just quiet. Yeah, that did not work. That did not work one bit. Um, recompile. No. Oh. just, you know. We do this, we do this, we do this. This little problemo. It failed miserably. Ow. Okay, there we go. Um, just silly passing here. Because that's obviously going to be our index. So if I recompile that, that took longer than it should have. Okay, and we're never going to talk about that again. Yeah, index HTML. I see. Incorrect. So let's get into reading files. Okay. That's good. And then inside of here, we can just go plus headers route. Stupid. Okay. Target to open. Temp. STD iOS in if no target else. I'm just gonna if else around this std line target line. Okay. Temp, let me call this again. Temp plus equal to my plus target.close. And this dot response equals temp. Okay, I can't wait for a big segmentation fault. What is the odds that just worked first time? So now, now we can really do anything. I can change the name of this. So, one is stinky. Let's give it H1N. One is extremely. Fix it yet? Yeah, I did. Watch this. It works. So, I can do all sorts of stuff. Pardon me. Hunter is extremely stinky, I could go like, yeah, style, color, red. Make it red. Inspect network. I just want to see it. This is definitely not sending the right stock back. Response. Well, no, it just, yeah, it doesn't need to. HTTP response exam. And then, yeah, it's a double space. Hang on, I just need to quickly turn off the screen capture. You guys can still see me. Just look at me in the meantime. I need to quickly pull up this image. Just in case I should show something I'm not meant to. Okay, Discord's being stinky, not working. My ears, just these AirPods really itching them. Camera's glitching out. Hey, how you going? Sis. Contact. I'm sorry, I'm gonna keep that open. So I need to scroll up till I find it. I'm just gonna post that in there, and while I do that, I need to just turn that off for a second. Open link. Alright, you guys can look at my beautiful screen again. So, just a blank line to separate. Instead of here, we will go plus E2 because I'm going to each time the socket is so inside of here, let's put this jank code. So, the apple is touching your brain. Perhaps. Response, and this is just going to be set to equal. So, I'm just going to hard code all of this. I don't really think it matters, just as long as we have it. Then I'm following. Yeah, this is don't do this. I'll change this later. I just put like 404 and I was to recompile that. Just okay, yeah, it doesn't seem to care about whatever you have here. So, and then we can just go this dash. Pardon me. 404. that needs to recompile. And then we can just let's just get a random picture of a tree. Can't go wrong. And I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and just go wget. Oops. ls. Actually, that's what we want. Alright, so now I can just do wget. rm-rf. Ah, I'm stupid. Okay, yeah, this needs to go into. It is so just empty, but what if we do just get a picture of a tree? So that's gonna be a Google address, isn't it? Yeah. CD HTML. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, it's broken. No, this isn't a Discord bot. The title's wrong. Arcs. Arcs nav. I'm doing something completely unrelated to Discord, but yeah, big brain for sure. Um, I don't think I would support. I just won't worry about images. But I mean, it does work. It's a good Arcs nav. Um, I want to try and make sure see cascading style sheets works. So we'll just go back to that. Common extremely stinky. I mean, honest to God facts though. New file inside of here. Let's just go like padding 0, margin 0, font dash family sans serif. Um, Yeah, yeah. No, that's so good. That's Discord and YouTube. The metadata when it was trying to read it, it's a bit broken. um, that's all good, man. Don't worry about it. It's not your fault. CSS main.css. There's no way that just it's all coming together. It works. It works. Okay, 2 hours and this works. Like wow, I'm impressed with myself. Not gonna lie. Let's just give it a good test. Um, um, this is gonna look terrible, but I'm not trying to design something nice yet. Just playing around with just um. Okay, okay. I think I need to use padding. I'll push text down a bit. Padding dash top should use 65, not 75. Oh yeah, okay. It works. I'm not here to design something nice, but just the fact that this works is, mind blowing at my looks. That I actually got this far without fully tearing my head out. So it works. Wow, it works. um, that took quicker than expected. Well, that was quicker than expected. Sorry. I just gotta get images to work. So, Unless, I mean, I think it might be working because if I go to, hey Bram, how we going, man? If I go to this, it is detecting, but I mean, I suppose that could be the same for anything. I could probably uh, put PNG, yeah, but if let's just say I create new file, uh, test.png, and I put, okay, yeah, no, so it's definitely reading it, just displaying it is what's it's not Bram, it's Bram. Br Bram. I'm so sorry. um, I mean, unless that file is corrupted, which I can see happening, I suppose I can just come up to here and go, was it no, DOS and WS? Oh, this PC. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, but my accent probably doesn't help. Um, how to access WSL in file explorer. Yeah, I thought it was something like that. So it's home vex arrow HTML. If I open up, what's my Discord name? My Discord name is Vex. Where am I from? I'm from Australia. Um, Fav icon. See, it doesn't fav icon dot ico. Yeah, it's blank. So we can't load images. Beautiful country. Thank you. Whereabouts are you from, Bram? Oh, put my hat back. All right. Connor's stinky website. I think I should put this on GitHub actually. Um, hey, fellow Aussie, you're in Perth. Nice. I mean, ew, Perth. Nah, I'm in Brisbane. Oh, you're from the Netherlands, Bram? Damn, you're far away from me. Um, I let's just put break tag here, and I'm just gonna put just put like lorem dot 25, actually 40. Uh, I know I'm not meant to invest time into this, but oh well. P tag, and I'll put lorem dot 500. That's gonna be a lot. What time is it? It is 9 o'clock at night. It's getting pretty late. Okay, so inside of here, just gonna quickly um, margin dash left or 30%. This is gonna be really tight, but man, mm, don't care. I'm just gonna spam that a couple of times. Actually, a little bit of space. There we go. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Ah, nice. I got home at a half day today. That's pretty nice. Got to come home early. Um, just gonna put like some terrible Quailer index page. It's discord.tg. You know, I'm gonna bet that I can put that there. Okay, you're right. I'm sorry. I will never challenge you again. I just found out that .com doesn't redirect. Um, he's gonna put that as boilerplate. I just put MenuDocs because, and one thing I will do is content dash line justify, I believe it is. Kneel before you know. Maybe it's text align. Oh, yeah, there it is. Justify. There we go. Um, 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 that's good enough for me. Public arrow Uh, this is my first time trying to push from an existing workspace. King Condor the Great. You wish. I really used to get used to using readme.md git init git add dash global user dot email. It's gonna be cringy email, but please don't vomit. Because you're definitely really funny if you were to do something like that. User dot name lol. Um, there we go. And then I can do that. Oops. Git push dash u origin main. What? I've spent the last 30 minutes helping in some other competitors' Discord JSL chat. I go months of not helping anyone to helping some. Connor! I'm gonna smack you if I ever catch you doing that in front of me. You know better than that. It doesn't look. Oh. Okay, wait. Yeah, the Git file's here. Smack me on the bottom, good sir. I will. um. Ah, master. I need to fix that. There we go. And just refresh real quick. Don't even at me. I'm like goaded at this already. But yeah, there's some really bad code. If you all want to try, you will need a Linux system. Oh well, no, I didn't. Yeah, no, or Unix. You just need a Unix system. Just put sudo whatever. That should work. I should do make. You do the first one and then make run. That's sounding pretty cool that I whipped that up that fast. um, code base is not the best, but you get that. I can always fix that. Tired. Um, I will just actually git add make file, git init dash updated file, git push origin master. Um, that should just be on there. I don't. Well, I suppose. How long have I been streaming for? Let's see. About 2 hours ago I started. Um, I'm just clueless now. I did everything. I'm gonna have to create um Trello board. What's this? Create project. Arrow. Arrow to do list. Ideas. Working. Um, develop. All right. Wait, can other people suggest like things to go on to the board? Uh, I will just edit it quickly. Join my Discord here, and I will get a link for it. Um, YPTKWQU. Is that the right way of spelling it? I suck at spelling, if you haven't figured it out already. Yeah. Ooh, Google wants to know my location. L, you're not gonna know. Oh, okay, now it's 1S. Yeah, 1S. Just commit straight away. That did not work. Oh my god. I'm terrible at this. I don't even bother that. That just sounds so stupid what I wrote underneath that, but I I don't care at this point. But I think I'm gonna call it a night there. Um, I actually got lost. I think I got a plugin that tells me how many lines uh this is, but I don't think I have it installed. Do I? No, I don't. What's extensions? Tampa Monkey, JetBrains Tools extension, GitHub, uh, code line extension. I think that's what I had. Add extension. No, I don't want you to have access token. Loading. Oh man, that is itchy. Don't like this. Alright, so 279 lines of code really. That's probably including the HTML, which will buff it up a lot. But yeah, 138, 9, 23, and 23. Yeah, sounds about right. So itchy. I gotta stop. Um, yeah, well, thanks for coming out and watching the stream. If you're still listening, it was a fun stream. Just gonna X out of that stuff so I can finish up. This is all working. You know, it's got clickable stuff, redirect. Opens up Discord. Um, Terrible demo page. Honestly, I'm not even gonna complain. Let's close everything up. Oh, I'm tired. I can't even think now. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll probably be streaming again soon. I might stream Thursday. I'll talk to Connor. Because Thursday, hopefully, fingers crossed, I get my little capture card in the mail that I bought. Because I got a new series that I'm doing. If you watch my last video that I did, you might know what it is because I just said capture card gives it away. I'm not gonna say until I get it all recorded and the first video comes up. So get excited, get excited. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I'll also have what's it called? Um, I can't even think. a stand, a tripod. So that's the word, tripod for my phone. So I'll be able to put the what's it called, camera, this camera up a bit higher, and it'll look more natural. Is what I'm trying to get at. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a good night, day. Enjoy yourself. Don't work too hard, but have fun.